So today we are going to be cooking bitter ball and okra stew. So let's get to it. We have about 10 medium-sized pieces of bitter ball there and 20 okra, 20 whole okra. I'm just gonna slice them and we get to the next step. So I'm using my slicer over here to slice the okra. Just makes my life easier. If you do have a slicer, just use the thick cut. So let's do the bitter ball. Just cut this part out. Cut it into 4 pieces. And then I'll use the slicer again. If you don't have a slicer, cut it by hand. All right. So this is the cut you get from it. These are the ingredients. There goes the sliced bitter ball. This is about 3 cups. And then the sliced okra, 2 cups. For those who will be buying maybe frozen okra, that's about 2 cups there. If you don't have bitter ball, because this, depending on the time of year, can only be found at the farmer's market, you can replace it with eggplant. You just slice it up like that. That's medium sliced onion and 1 hot pepper. So these are the meat to go with the stew. I have chicken wings, beef cubes, and just some shrimp. I will season the meat real quick. Just enough to give it a little bit of seasoning. Doesn't have to be, don't have to overthink it. Little bit of that was seasoned salt, little bit of paprika for color. Old Bay, or use seasoned salt if you don't have this. And this time I am using the chicken bouillon with tomato. Again, for color, use the regular chicken bouillon if you prefer that. Shouldn't make any difference. Don't over season, especially for these two, the beef and the shrimp. They get salty real quick. And you will be seasoning the stew anyway, so no need to over season your meat. I have about 1 cup of oil here. It's already hot. I'm just going to brown these real quick. That's it for the shrimp. Doesn't take much to cook shrimp. About 30 to 45 seconds on each side. Don't overcook it. Now the beef. Similar to the shrimp, we're just gonna make sure the beef is brown on all sides, and that's it. Now the chicken. These will fry to golden brown. Alright, the chicken is golden. So we'll start with the bitter ball and onion first. As well as the pepper. And we'll saute for about 3 minutes. Now we add the okra, and boy does this smell so good. Add 6 pieces of small beef bouillon or Maggi for the brand. Two cups of water. The beef cubes. The chicken. And then we'll cook on medium heat for about 30 minutes or till the liquid dries. It is all done. I don't want to completely dissolve the liquid, so I like it this way. Add the shrimp last. It's already fully cooked, so I'll just incorporate it, cook it for about a minute. We're all done. So I am about to make me a plate. I have my rice here. This is the broken jasmine rice, or as we Liberians call it, fennel rice. Adding my stew on top. Join me, let's eat. And if you do make this stew, please tag me on social media. I would like to see how yours look and let me know how it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.